up, guys? OJ Merge back in the building. What we got over here? We got some food cooking. Yeah. Thanks to my loving husband, who is so sweet and kind that he wants to cook food for me.
Brown stew, you know?
Oh, brown stew. You ain't tell me we was doing it like that.
Most definitely.
What's in that cup? What you sipping on? A little chocolate. Vavavoom?
Yeah. Something like Bailey's, but nah. Some things like chocolate liquor.
That's your type of stuff. I don't know why I don't like the chocolate type of food. I mean the chocolate type of drink. It's strange.
Do it. Sometimes you gotta mix it up. Sometimes you gotta go, you know, strong with the liquor. Sometimes, you know, beat some Hennessy, and then sometimes you have to tone it down a little bit.
Yes, y'all. We've been trying to get together a little bar situation. This is what we have so far. So it's a little sad. You said what? Don't put that on. I can cut it out.
They are going brown stew some chicken. One whole vibe. We done that. The haircut. And I just one of them thing there. You know, Sunday, you know. So you know you go already. Then I cook an oxtail. You have to have brown stew, some chicken, some rice and peas. Something. You know, Sunday. So I just one of them ball game there. And then, you know, you have to sip on something nice. Sip on a nice like a beverage. A whole vibe.
Kingston is taking a nap. I am gonna try not to wake him up. But he was so tired, y'all. What you got going on out here, partner?
You don't smell some sugar cane down there.
Yo, these crickets and grasshoppers, they be going hard. I don't know why they be trying to take over my residence. You said what, honey?
My sugar cane.
Your sugar cane, how they doing? Nice little sugar cane doing its thing. So that's exciting. Did you water my trees, baby?
I don't know.
Why? Babe, it's a one-stop shop. Hey guys, we wanted to tell you about the giveaway that we are doing. Just wanted to thank you guys for helping us reach over 1,000 subscribers. Currently we're at 1,300. So that is awesome, and we're so excited, and we're just so grateful that you guys have been so supportive. We want to give you a 1-month free trial of our Merge Club membership, and we are also doing a $100 Cash App giveaway. To enter into this contest, there's only 4 things that you need to do, and they're quite simple. Number 1, if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Number 2, drop your Cash App in the comment section below. Number 3.
What number 3? What third?
Hello. Why are we doing this outside? Alright guys, to enter for the $100 Cash App giveaway, the steps are super simple. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, leave your Cash App name in the comment section below. Number 3, visit our website at www.ojmerge.com and sign up for a Merge Club Bronze membership 1-month free trial. You can try this risk-free, and guess what? You can cancel at any time. Number 4, follow us on Instagram at ojmerge. We will be announcing the random winner on November the 9th, so make sure you're entered to win, and we will see you then for one lucky winner. Alright guys, we about to get into this brown stew chicken. We about to get into this haircut. My man said he want a haircut, so I gotta get him fresh and finer than he already is. And we will see y'all in the next video. OJ Merge. Love you guys.
Yeah man, walking up.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only cheat. Girl, give me your
finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.